Well, I came to a new lake to try it out, ice fishing. Didn't go as good as I thought, but we still caught some fish. It was a pretty fun adventure. Punched holes all over the lake trying to find some good water. When I finally found some half decent water, I started fishing. I caught a little one right away. Then I set up my camera and I realized I didn't have my SD card. But I got a lot of footage of some nice pike coming in, whitefish all over the place. So it was a pretty good reconnaissance mission, I guess you could call it. So there is big pike in here. For whatever reason, I had a lot come up, look at my jigs, look at my baits, and just not hit. They just would come up. It's just one of those days. I tried quite a few things. I still caught a couple of pike, nothing big, but it was pretty fun. You're gonna hear me talking. I say it's a solo mission. It's not really a solo mission. My buddy's here, but he's quite a ways away, so I'm doing all the camera work. I thought I could do a little better, but at least you're gonna get to see some fish caught and a little bit of on the underwater camera. It's on through my phone, so it's not through the SD card. But anyways, I hope you enjoy. Check it out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fish Big. Today I'm going on an exploratory mission. I'm checking out a lake that's I've never checked out before. It's in southern Alberta. I mean, I fished it in summer, I've never ice fished it, so we're gonna check it out and see if we can locate some monsters. It's a solo mission, so I might not get the greatest footage, but hopefully I do. My buddy will be out there too, so hopefully he'll send me some good footage if he gets it. Anyways, awesome. Let's get on it and off to the adventure. Okay, so far, I just got here. My buddy's punching holes. He's got some out in the lake. Only finding about 4 feet under the ice. So I'm gonna try a little ways back here. See if I can find a little bit more depth. They've actually caught one, so there are fish around. But this could be a heck of a day. Alrighty. Seen a little bit of one. Oh, a nice one. Okay, so we know there's fish here. Oh, it's going a little crazy on him. Awesome. Well, we know there's fish here. Okay, I'll let you get back at her. Okay. Got my 2 for Bills set up. So, yeah, hopefully we can hook in some. I'm only in about 7 feet of water under the ice here. Once again, I've never ice fished this lake. So we'll see if we can do any good. Get back to you when I got a fish. I mean, my buddies they've already caught a couple small ones over there, but I've just started fishing, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, I got a flag up, he's a spinning. So I'm gonna have trouble showing you this, but we got one on. Okay, got him. Well, it's not a big fish, but let's start on the rock hard tackle leaders. Yeah, I'm gonna get him unhooked and released. Awesome. I tried to get a release, but he got himself down the hole. Oh well. Okay, so I got him unhooked and released real quick, and he's gone, but he's seen he wasn't too big, so what do you do? Time to set up another bait. At least we know there's fish here in this lake, so that's good. Alrighty. I'm just using smelts today, big giant smelts, so let's see what I can pull out of here. Hopefully there's something bigger in this lake. It's not looking so good so far. Alrighty. Okay. Hopefully I can get some better footage for you. Awesome. camera set up. See if I can see anything under the ice in the area. Not seeing too much, but it's a good little thing to see if anything's in the area. If not, it's time to move. A little whitefish cruising around. See him on the camera. I think I'm going to switch to whitefish because there is a lot of whitefish in this lake. I know the glare is pretty bad. There, you can see them a little better. We're getting a lot of whitefish in this lake. I'm switching up. I think that's the way to go. Again, all kinds of whitefish in here. It's crazy. Fish swimming all over the place here. Okay, I'm gonna hook set up whitefish. Monster pike hitting my camera. I don't know if you can see it. Checking for whitefish though. I got a monster pike coming in. Okay, I got a monster pike in here. Interested in my camera though, which is good because I got a whitefish jig on. You guys can see his fin right there. He's really interested in my camera. This jig on there, flag up. Fish on there. There he is. Just a little guy. Okay. Get him unhooked and released here. Awesome. It's got me a little one. At least today isn't terrible. Oh, hold on, buddy. We're gonna get you back down. Oh, and there he goes. Awesome. Right on. Okay. Fish for a little longer. Don't catch anything big. Yeah, I just came to pull up my line. So I'm heading out and I caught one. Awesome. Okay, let's get this guy unhooked and released. Maybe we'll get a photo of this one. Okay. Let's get this guy back down the hole. Oh, there he goes. Okay. Awesome. Well, I think that's the last fish of the day. It was an okay day on the lake. Caught a few fish anyway. Awesome. Well, time to call her a day.